Hello, I am Delaney Nance, and I am enrolled in MBA 619 Employee Training and Development with Dr. Sharon Lake. And today I'm going to go over why the Creative Learning Agency is the best fit for the FBI to be able to retain their employees. The Creative Learning Agency is a training and coaching organizational development agency that will give employees a desire to learn something new and supports the idea of what makes creative learning more effective than any traditional advertising agency or e-learning company. The Creative Learning Agency was founded in August 1992 by a group of MBA students from Concordia University, Nebraska that wanted to bring creative learning into training and development for various businesses. The Creative Learning Agency pushes employees to solve problems through learning. Education and implementation live at the core of any business initiative and social change. Our agency has the ability to teach a workforce new skill, new ways of thinking about problems that builds innovative company culture. Our learning empowers employees with purpose and skills to be able to react and think critically. I'm going to go over an outline of the training content that our company provides for different types of agencies that are having issues with retaining their employees. Some of the best training practices that we've done research on was gamification. Gamification is one of the biggest protocols that we use at our company to retain employees and keep employees engaged. According to the article by Bunchball in 2019, gamification is the use of game mechanisms in non-gaming contexts in order to increase individual engagement and motivation. This allows to perform jobs or solve problems in enjoyable and rewarding ways. This just allows for employees to get out of the groove of always being in training courses and having content just thrown at them. This actually allows employees to implement the information that they're learning right there in the training course, whether this be through quizzes or games or discussions amongst colleagues. It just really allows for the employees to get out of the groove of always being talked to. Gamification also provides 5 benefits in e-learning. It increases learner engagement. It makes e-learning fun and interactive. It improves knowledge absorption and retention, gives learners the opportunity to see real-world applications, and enhances the overall learning experiences for all age groups. We also would conduct a needs assessment for our training. So this would really allow us to determine how the agents started their jobs and what training practices that they were received when they got to the FBI. All of our data would be gathered by interviews and on-site observations by our Creative Learning Agency staff. And this would allow us to kind of form what type of training we would need for these employees to get them to be engaged in the work that they're in every single day, and how to motivate them every single day and allow them to learn each day, whether it be actually on the job or learning from an employee. So next, it's really just improving the employee experiences. Culture IQ 2019 says that there are a lot of ways to improve employees' experiences through professional development. This would include continuing their education, providing courses for them to further their knowledge in their job or even other aspects within the FBI. Encourage participation in professional organizations, pushing your employees to reach outside of their comfort zone and get out of the department that they're in and learn more about other parts of the FBI. Just more research in their field, allowing them to have the most knowledge to be successful and effective at their job would really allow them to have a good experience. Just increasing their responsibilities and duties. I think as employees, we get stuck in the rut of doing the same thing every day. Just so gradually increasing those responsibilities and duties will allow from the monotonous of the job to kind of be taken away and employees to actually be engaged and want to, come to work every day. Obviously, additional training. You can never have too much training there. Also, mentoring, showing people the ropes, effective processes, and just ways to be better at their job. Also, access to industry resources, special projects or assignments that each individual could do just to break up the monotony of, everyday assignments and expectations. And also just building a professional network, allowing your employees to meet new people and to get their names out there and kind of just build a repertoire in their job. So we kind of went over how gamification can spice up training and allow employees to become more engaged in the training and actually transfer the learning that and information that they're receiving in each of these trainings. Also, just providing the best resources for your employees will also help as well in employee retention because you're putting in the time and effort to develop your employees and to gain their knowledge and to push them to be more successful at their jobs will allow the employees to feel like they're wanted and that they are being valued by the company that they're working for. I really hope that you consider our agency because I feel like our agency would be the best fit to help you increase your employee retention and to start pushing the employee engagement. Thanks. Have a good day.